Question 1. When can you use the hard shoulder on a motorway? The correct answer is B. Only when signs permit it, or during a breakdown or emergency. The hard shoulder is not a normal driving lane, and using it incorrectly can be dangerous. Question 2. What should you do when you see a "No entry for vehicles carrying explosives" sign? The correct answer is C. Seek an alternative route if you are carrying explosives. This restriction applies specifically to vehicles carrying explosive loads. Question 3. What should you do if your vehicle has electronic stability control, ESC, and you sense a loss of control? The correct answer is C. Ease off the accelerator, steer in the direction you want to go, and allow the system to assist. ESC can help correct a skid, but you still need to steer properly and avoid harsh braking or acceleration. Question 4. You are on a single carriageway and a slow-moving vehicle ahead displays a triangular orange rear-mounted sign. What should you do? The correct answer is B. Wait until you have clear visibility ahead, then overtake only if it is safe and permitted. Slow-moving vehicles may be using the road legitimately, so only overtake when it is safe to do so. Question 5. What should you do when approaching a level crossing with half barriers down and lights flashing, but a vehicle ahead reverses over the crossing? The correct answer is C. Stop at a safe distance and wait until the crossing is clear. Never cross while the lights are flashing. Wait until it is safe and the signals allow you to proceed. Question 6. You discover that your rear light has failed while driving at night. What must you do next? The correct answer is C. Stop as soon as it is safe and repair it or call for assistance. Faulty rear lights make your vehicle difficult to see at night and increase the risk of a collision. Question 7. What must you do if you start to feel drowsy during a long journey? The correct answer is C. Find a safe place to stop and rest, or change drivers if possible. Drowsiness seriously affects concentration and greatly increases the risk of a crash. Question 8. If you accidentally put petrol into a diesel vehicle, what should you do immediately? The correct answer is B. Switch off the engine immediately and call for recovery. Petrol in a diesel engine can cause serious damage, so do not continue driving. Question 9. At a junction, you see a giveaway marking on the road, but no sign. Who has priority? The correct answer is B. Traffic on the other road has priority. A giveaway road marking means you must give way to traffic on the main road. Question 10. What is the correct way to reverse out of a driveway onto a road? The correct answer is B. Check carefully for traffic and pedestrians. Use your mirrors and look over your shoulder, then reverse slowly. Make sure the road is clear and continue checking all around as you reverse.